Hello, I am Laura, and today we prepare a banana lasagna. The ingredients are ground beef, 6 ripe of banana, onions, tomatoes, cheese, and salt.
First, cut the bananas into slices and fry them in butter or oil. Chop the onion and tomatoes and fry them together with the meat. Mix until everything is very well cooked.
Next, another layer of banana and cheese and meat another layer of banana and cheese. The last layer of banana and cheese. Now bake it previously heated to 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The lasagna is ready. Now serve and enjoy. Yummy! Now enjoy. Yummy!